I've been on Upwork for years. I've been on Upwork for more than 2 years. Getting my first client on Upwork changed the whole thing for me. It was a game changer. But before I got to this first client in Upwork, I worked my ass off. So it wasn't easy for me. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Omasi. So today I want to make this video. I want to share with you guys how I got my first client on Upwork. So around 2023, this should be around September, around August, September. So before then, I've been applying for jobs on Upwork, I've written so many proposals. I've corrected, I've written, I've write, all of that. So it wasn't easy for me, I must say. So I've been submitting proposals, but still no one comes through. Like, I've never been invited for an interview. It got to a point whereby I will send proposals and I will lose all my connect. Like, all my connect will be gone, but still no job. I had to go online, I had to research, I had to ask people, like, how I went down, I read so many blogs, reasons why I wasn't getting job. So what I just did was I said, okay, I looked at my connect. I was having up to 74 connects. I said, okay, I will not waste this connect on jobs that I will have little chances of even getting interviewed by the client. So what I did was, any job above $50, I'm not bidding for it. If I look at the job, look at the description, first of all, look at the job. Once the job is above $50, I'm not bidding for it. So I bid every job less than $50 or $50 on the dot, like on the dot. That's what I bid for. So I bid for jobs like $5, $10, $15, sometimes fixed rate, sometimes hourly rate, and all of that. Why? I'm new on Upwork. My profile is not yet verified, and I have 0 jobs. So imagine a client hiring somebody who is just a beginner with no experience on Upwork. So it's not easy for me. And coupled with the fact that Upwork is a very competitive platforms. Different nationals from different parts of the world are bidding for the same job. Now, after I decided that, okay, I won't bid for a job above $50 as a beginner, someone who's just starting out on Upwork, I also decided that, okay, if I will bid for a job, first of all, I'll first look at the description, look at the requirements and everything. Then I'll look at the active people that have actually bidded for that job. Trust me, if I look at any job on Upwork and I notice it's above 10, like 10 people have bidded for that job, like 10 proposals have already been sent on that particular job, trust me, I'm not bidding for it. If it's above 10, I'm not bidding for it. So if I'm to bid for a job, it will be from 1 to 5, 1 to 5, or 1 to 10. That's what I do. 1 to 10, 1 to 5. But if it's above 10, not at all. So these are the few lessons I learned, because before, what I just do is sometimes I'll go and bid for a work that had been posted 4 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 15 minutes, 7 hours ago. So you see, the employer must have gotten he or she that's the employer must have gotten whoever he or she is looking for. So these are some of the mistakes I made when I was starting out. So after I made all this mistake, I realized, I was telling a friend that he used money to buy experience. Or everything I'm saying on this video now is something I used my own connect, the connect which I bought with my money. I used it to gain this experience. So of course, use money to buy experience. It's only when you learn you can teach some people so that they won't go and make that same mistake. That's why I'm sharing these tips with you guys today. So when I look at the proposals sent on a particular job, like I said before, if it's above 1 to 5, or if it's above 10, I'm not bidding at all. So these are the things, like I said, since I'm starting out, if it's above $50, I'm not bidding for it. But if it's $50 on the dot, or below $50, I will bid for it. Now, why am I doing this? Not because I'm new, like I'm just a beginner with this particular skill, with this web designing skill. Not at all. Because on that platform, I'm just a new person starting out on the website. So an employer I'll have little chances of getting the job. I'm just starting out. So most times they go for professionals, people who have been there, people who have good recommendations, people who have good ratings on the platform. So for me now to get hired for the first time, I'll have to work my ass off. And luckily for me, one fateful Saturday, that day I could remember, I went to visit a friend. I was in his house, so I just opened up work. I said, okay, today is Saturday. That was Saturday. Now, one tip. If you are starting out, like you're starting out on Upwork, trust me, the best time, according to my experience, the best time to bid for work is on weekends. Saturday, Sundays. Why? Because I read on a particular blog that most professionals, most pros who have been making a lot of money on Upwork, during weekends, they don't bid for work much on weekends. They take weekends just more like a chilling point, a time to relax, a time to chill, be with friends, be with family and all of that. So they don't bid for work on weekends. So the weekends is a little bit more competitive than working days, that is Monday to Friday. So these tips helped me. So after I read that particular thing on that blog, so what I just did was I said, okay, I will wait Saturday and Sundays, I will bid for job. So that particular Saturday, I went to a friend's house. I was there, seated on his couch. I opened up work. I was just bidding for work. I bidded like 2 or 3 jobs that evening before I closed up work. So now, see, I bidded for that job around 7:30. Before 8:30, I was already at home. I bidded for that job around 8:30, 7:30. Before 8 o'clock, the employer, that's the person, the client that posted that job, sent me invited me for an interview on Upwork, but I was not online. So luckily for me, I came online, like I opened the app on Upwork like 5 minutes later after she invited me for interview. So God being so kind, I was so kind that she was even online and she was active at that particular time. So I really responded. Hello, she said, hi, are you available to get to know you, to know about this job? And I said, yes, of course I'm available. I discussed, she said, okay, the first job that she has is an e-commerce pastry website. Can I do it? I said, yes. Do I have experience? He said, well, looking at my profile, I'm just a new person here, no job, no experience yet. How sure that I will not mess up this work? How sure that I will deliver? I said, well, I'm new to Upwork, but I'm not new to web development. Like, I have experience in this. He said, okay, wow. I was able to convince her. She asked me so many questions, jobs that I've done outside Upwork. I said yes. She asked me, okay, how will I do this job? I was able to talk to her. I was able to convince her, tell her that, okay, I know what I'm doing. And the person who is hiring me too, she's also a web developer. She knows about websites. Just at that particular point in time, she has a lot of projects at hand. So she wasn't able to meet up with this particular one. So that's why she's giving it out. So since I was able to convince, she said, okay, well, with what I just said, it means that I know what I'm doing. She said, okay, that she will try me, that she will give me this job. Though the job is as a fixed rate, $50. I said, okay, well, yes, of course. She gave me the job, gave me the cPanel logins, everything. So after she gave me the whole job, I delivered within the deadline that we talked about. She was like, I love this, like, you are good, like, I love what you are doing. After the whole job, she gave me recommendations and everything. So I was happy. That particular job, it was a break even for me. It opened way for me. It opened way for me. It opened way for more jobs for me. In fact, I worked with this particular client I worked with her 3 good times. Because I was able to deliver. I worked with her 3 good times. It got to a point that she gave somebody a job on Upwork. So the person was messing up with the job. She has to contact me. Was like, are you available for work that She gave somebody this job, and the person is not actually what delivering what she wants. Like, she's not giving her what she wants. Can I take up the job? I said, yes, I'm available. I took up the job and I delivered. You see? So I struggled to get the first job, but trust me, if you're just beginning on this journey, like if you're just starting, trust me, it's a very smooth one. You're going to scale through, trust me. As long as you are there, like you stick, like you are there, you putting your effort day in, day out, trust me, you will get the job. Trust me, you get the job. If I can do it after my consistency and being persistent at the same time, man, trust me, you too can do this thing. All right, so thanks guys for watching. This is me sharing my journey with you guys. So if you have questions, you have anything at all you want to get to know, you want to ask regarding Upwork, please, I would love to hear from you. All right, so leave your comments, leave your questions on the comment section. I will respond to you. So please guys, share this video to your loved ones. Give this video a thumbs up so that people who are starting out on Upwork can also see this video and get value from it too. All right, please once again subscribe to the YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, this is Mercy, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks again for watching. Peace. Yeah, once again, please, I'll be making a video on a proposal. One thing again about Upwork is your proposal, it goes a long way. Your proposal goes a long way. Like it's a big shot. It's a big shot out. Like it's a big shot to your potential client who will to a potential employer, I mean to say, who will employ you. So I'll be making video where I'll be sharing tips on how to write a good proposal to send that on Upwork. Also share the sample of proposal which I used to get my job. I'm sorry guys for the noise outside. I'm making this video for my place of work right now. I'll see you guys on the next one, right? See you guys on the next time. Please guys, once again, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys once again. Peace out.